Hello everyone, welcome to our channel The Guidance Pro. Most of us opt for B Pharmacy as a last option to pursue their graduation, considering various reasons like not securing a seat in medicine or unable to meet the financial needs, etc. But B Pharmacy has many career options to pursue. So let's explore them. First of all, what is pharmacy? Pharmacy is a science or profession of preparing, preserving, compounding and dispensing of medicine and drugs. B Pharmacy is a graduation course and regulatory authorities of pharmacy are PCI and AICTE. The duration of B Pharmacy course is 4 years divided into 8 semesters, having project in the final year, and 3 years for D Pharmacy qualified students. The eligibility criteria of B Pharmacy is science stream students for both mathematics and biology group in intermediate. D Pharmacy qualified students from PCI approved colleges can directly join second year of B Pharmacy. Admission process for B Pharmacy is through entrance exams of state or national level like APMCET, TSMCET, NIPER, KCET, etc. Some colleges take admission based on merit like Amity University. D Pharmacy qualified students from PCI approved colleges also called lateral entry, and they enter directly into second year of B Pharmacy. An average fee structure is around 40,000 to 1 lakh and it varies from college to college. After completion of B Pharmacy course, we can choose to opt jobs from either government or private sector. Government jobs are categorized into state and central level. State level jobs are drug inspector. To become a drug inspector, candidates should have experience at any medicine production company or given preference. State pharmacist in hospitals and medical colleges. Central government jobs include railway pharmacist, pharmacist in coal department India, pharmacist in border security force, airport authority pharmacist, pharmacist in Bima hospitals like ESIC, and pharmacist in AIIMS and IIT. Private sector includes marketing like medical representative, pharma industry jobs like FR&D, AR&D, quality control department, and quality assurance. One can certify to run a medical store. And medical coding, medical billing, medical writing, pharmacovigilance, and one can establish own pharma industry. After B Pharmacy, we can go for higher studies like M Pharmacy, PharmaD, LLB to study drug and pharmacy laws, MBA in healthcare management. This course also requires the students to undergo a practical training from pharmaceutical industries. One can get a license from PCI also to run own chemist shop. Pharmacy top recruiters. Indian recruiters are Lupin, Cipla, Piramal, Sun Pharmaceuticals, Aurobindo Pharma, Dr. Reddy's Laboratories, Biocon, Glenmark Pharmaceuticals. International recruiters are Pfizer, AbbVie, GlaxoSmithKline, Johnson & Johnson, Merck. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon.